Hey travel friends, we're going to do a quick little room tour of where we stayed at in Riu Palace, Mexico. Now, walking on this cute little path, to the left was where our room was. We had a beautiful balcony overlooking this, what they consider their kind of garden area, which is the main walkway of this resort, which leads directly to the pools and the ocean. And this is what we got to wake up to every morning, and it was absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to jump into the actual room itself. They have this open floor plan, so you have 2 sinks in your bathroom area. It is open, but there's a thick curtain that kind of separates it. That big bathtub with jets, huge shower with some shelves in there. And since the bathroom is open, the toilet itself is totally private, which we all need that little bit of privacy in there. Now the room does have a full-length mirror, which I love while I'm on vacation. It also comes with a coffee maker, okay coffee, but right above there you have all of your liquor choices. Those are stocked daily. We ended up using that as kind of just a vitamin shelf. But anyways, we also got the mini fridge in all the rooms, stocked daily, lots of local beer, sodas, and most importantly, water. We went here for our anniversary, so they left these cute little rose petals on the bed for us, and they left some chocolate-covered strawberries, which was a really nice treat. You have this cute living room area, table, flat-screen TV, and you saw what our view would have been at the beginning of this video. Alright, that's all folks.